Hi, this is your host. Today we're going on an alphabet adventure with a character from a popular TV show. Can you say hi? We're looking for something that begins with the letter H. Can you help us? What do you see? You see a hat. That begins with the letter H, just like your name. It does. Let's take it. Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. Now we have a hat. We can put it on our head. And with this hat, we can play all sorts of games. We can play what's under my hat. I'm putting something under my hat. You can't see it. It's a surprise. What do you see? Is it a ball? No, it's not a ball. What else? Is it a snack? No, it's not a snack. It's something we use to write with. What is it? It's a crayon. Can you say crayon? Crayon. We got a crayon. And now we can draw with our crayon. We're going to draw a picture of a house. A house has many rooms. In this room, there's a happy family. There's mom and dad and their baby. They're eating dinner together. The dad is reading a book to his kids. They're playing a game. They're having fun. And look, they're going on an alphabet adventure. They found a hat. It begins with the letter H, just like their last name. It does. Let's take it. Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. Now we have a hat. We can put it on our heads. And with this hat, we can go on an adventure. What kind of adventure? An imaginary adventure. Close your eyes, my little friend. We're soaring through the sky. We're flying with a friendly bird. Look, we're landing on a cloud. What do you see on the cloud? You see a harp. Can you say harp? The friendly bird is playing beautiful music for us. It's playing the harp. Oh, it's time to go. Thank you for playing with us today, my little friend. Give the bird a big hug and a kiss. Bye-bye.